Good morning and welcome to my training video today, which is on my trade of the week. A little bit about me. Those that are with me in coaching know all this, but I am the owner of Cash From Options LLC. I've been a stock option investor since 1985, and I'm a certified stock market investment coach for Robert Kiyosaki for 12 years. He had a lot of best-selling books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and many others. Most of you are probably very familiar with him. I taught my clients under Robert for 12 years, and I taught them how to trade stock options using my exclusive strategy. Here's my email address and my website. You can see it's totally secure. One thing I want to let you know is I have a video out there, a training video. It's called My Complete Strategy: How I Trade Stock Options for Consistent Profits. I'm a short-term swing trader in stock options. I catch all the ups and downs. My strategy tells me when the probabilities are high for an up move or a down move. But the above video here explains my complete stock option trading strategy. Nothing is left out. And you need to watch this or you'll have difficulty following the trade, as a lot of the trading terms I use are in this video. So they'll be clarified there, and you go to my website, cashfromoptions.com, and then click on the resources tab and recent videos, and you'll see this video here, and you'll also see my complete strategy: how I trade stock options for consistent profits. My trade of the week is BABA. I bought January 17th expiration, 175 strike calls. I entered the trade on November 21st. I exited on November 27th. Return on invested margin was 46.71%. The trade was made in real time, but is shown here for instructional purposes only. And I want to emphasize this part: the high degree of leverage can work for you as well as against you in stock option trading. I strongly suggest you get mentoring from a veteran trader, and I'll explain my coaching program later. The trade setup: primary buy signal, which is explained in my complete strategy video, occurred on November 21st, and a separate secondary buy signal occurred on November 21st, same day. So I am now bullish on BABA, and I'm looking for an entry point if one should develop. These signal days tell me this probability for a move up is high. Here's the signal day. I get that primary signal day from these three indicators down here. I get the secondary indicator from this 4-day exponential moving average and this 8-day exponential moving average. You can see it bounced strongly off the 21-day moving average, which often acts as support when the share prices are above it. This is a good sign we have an up move, especially when you have the primary and secondary buy signal days. The entry point, as I explained, the price bounces off the 21-day moving average, which is acting as support, indicating an upside move is developing. I buy January 17 expiration, 175 strike calls on November 21st, same day, and my initial stop is below the 21-day moving average, below support, and I move the stop below the 8-day exponential moving average on November 22nd. My initial stop was right here because this is support oftentimes. Also, the 8-day and even the 4-day sometimes will act as support. So I moved it up here just below the 8-day exponential moving average. My stop was never hit. They typically never are, and the price continued to move up. Okay, when do I take profits? After entering the trade, share price rallies sharply off the 21-day and breaks through resistance, chart resistance, on November 25th. I take 1/2 profits on November 25th. I share half my contracts. When share price hits the upper Bollinger Band, I take the remaining profits on November 27th when share price moves strongly above the Bollinger Band, which doesn't typically happen, and I also wanted to bank my profits because I had made really good money on this trade. Here we are. We entered the trade here. Signal days occurred, bounced off support. It came up here, hit the upper Bollinger Band. I took half my profits. Next day it rallied strongly, closed on its highs, stayed in the trade, it gapped up, rallied strongly, and I took my profits that day because this situation where prices are outside the Bollinger Band does not typically last long. You can see when it goes outside, up it goes, and you can see that normally it trades right within those Bollinger Bands. So I took my profits right there for a very, very nice profit. Again, just a reminder, you can go to cashfromoptions.com, click on the Resources tab and Recent Videos, and you'll see the video, My Complete Strategy, How I Trade Stock Options for Consistent Income. I've been doing it for many, many years. It has worked consistently in all markets, and you need to really look at that before you'll understand these trades that I make. Also, it's good information. Learn how I trade stock options. Look over the shoulder of a veteran trader as I make trades in real time. I'm currently offering 50% off my complete coaching program. The total investment is normally $24.50, but for a limited time, I'm offering a 50% discount, so your total cost is now $12.50. You may also bring a family member or friend at no additional cost and share the fee. Excuse me. This can bring your cost down to about $6.75. You can make a lot more than that on one trade. You can take action today by going to my website, clicking on the coaching tab, and then packages and pricing. It will explain more about the coaching program, what it is, and explain the discount and how much it costs you. If you keep doing what you're doing, your life will not change much, and your trading results will probably not trade much either. 4% of the option traders in the stock market make money consistently. 96% eventually lose money and quit, or lose it all, and they're out. Look at market fluctuations as your friend rather than your enemy. Profit from the folly rather than participate in it. Here's my coaching program. I offer 8 weekly live coaching sessions. You'll learn all aspects of my powerful trading strategy. You can ask questions. I'll share my charts. I'll send out information, articles that explain how to set up your charts, everything you need to know to trade my strategy. And then when you learn my strategy and you'll learn it before 8 weeks go by. I also had 6 months of live conference calls on Monday and Tuesday, and trading texts throughout the week. Before the market opens on Monday and Tuesday, we call up, I share my screen, I show you the signal days I found, you share what you found, we talk about good possible setups. When the market opens, we continue that call and make trades if one is warranted. I'm not a trading advisor. I don't have the permission from the government to do that. I'm a coach, but I show you my trades, exactly what I do when I do it, as examples. And my strategy combined with these conference calls and texts. Now, by the way, the texts, I text out what I do throughout the week. Every time I make a trade, adjust a trade, exit a trade, I text it out the moment I do it. And these conference calls and texts are a powerful money-making combination. You will never be on your own guessing what to do. Well, this has been a nice move. When should I get out? I'll let you know exactly what I do, and then you can make your decision based on that. As you master this information, you'll begin to look at the market in an entirely new way. You're creating order out of chaos, pretty much. It can have a powerful, and it will have a powerful impact on your trading and your personal journey to financial freedom. Here's my website. Here's where you can sign up for coaching. You click on the coaching tab and coaching programs, prices, and etc. It'll show you exactly what I do. More information about my trading strategy. Under resources and recent videos, you can see my complete strategy for trading the markets. You can also see this video. It'll be posted there. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email and we can set up a time to talk. We can discuss if coaching will be a good fit for you. No high pressure. I promise I don't believe in high pressure. If you're making a ton of money in the stock market and option trading, you've been doing it for years, you don't need coaching. But you're probably a member of the 96%, or you're new and you haven't even started yet. So you'll want to get some good, solid coaching, get a good, solid strategy. If you simply want to discuss how to improve your current trading strategy, we can do that. And again, check out the website I have for additional information. There's the web address. I wish you guys all the best. I would like to see you all in the 4%. It's a lot of fun to trade the market. It can be very emotional, but with a complete strategy, it'll tend to keep your emotions out of it. And you'll still have the emotions, but if my strategy says buy, okay, I'll buy, even though, well, I don't really think this is going up. But if the strategy says buy, you can buy. When the strategy says take profits, you can get out of the trade. Or if our stop is hit, you'll receive a text whenever I do anything, and you'll receive that information. So a good program, and I wish you guys all the best in your trading, and we will speak soon.